Your iPhone is lying to you. You turn off Wi-Fi before bed, and somehow it turns back on by itself in the morning. If that annoys you, here's how to actually turn Wi-Fi off completely on iPhone. First, open the Shortcuts app. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Now tap Search Actions and type Wi-Fi. When you see Set Wi-Fi, tap it. By default, it says Turn Wi-Fi on. Tap on and change it to off. And that's literally it. Now tap the little drop-down arrow at the top. From here, you can rename the shortcut, change the icon, change the color, or even use your own image. Then tap Add to Home Screen. You can customize it again here if you want. Then tap Add. Now the shortcut is on your home screen. You can keep it there, move it to the dock, or even better, add it to Control Center. And this is the important part. Unlike the default Wi-Fi button in Control Center, this one actually turns Wi-Fi off completely. So when you wake up the next morning, it stays off. You can also do the exact same thing for Bluetooth and cellular data. Just create another shortcut, search Bluetooth or cellular data, and set them to off. And if you don't know how to add it to Control Center, open Control Center, tap the plus icon in the top left, or just tap and hold anywhere, and then add the new shortcut and search for shortcuts, then choose your shortcut. And now you finally have a real Wi-Fi off button on iPhone. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.